Hi boys and girls. Today in this lesson I'm going to show you some places around Puertovaras because in 4th and 3rd grade we're talking and learning about places in nature. So we're going to see beautiful landscapes to show you some words in English so we can practice them, okay? Now I'm here in the middle of the national park, Vicente Pérez Rosales National Park. So you're going to see a river, the mountains, a volcano, a lake, and some other beautiful places, okay? So don't go. Okay, I'm right here in front of a beautiful river that is called Riopescado River. What a beautiful place, as you can see, okay? I'm in the middle of a countryside and this is a beautiful river. Are you there? I want to show you some other place here around Puertovaras. As you can see over there, you can see the mountains, okay? You have the mountains and then you have the volcano, Osorno volcano, okay? Guess what? I'm here now in the middle of the forest. I'm here in the national park, Vicente Pérez Rosales National Park. This is a beautiful forest. Now I am in the city of Puerto Tai and you can see from here the lake. This is Yanquihue Lake, okay? And of course from here you can see the Osorno volcano and Puntiagudo, okay? What a beautiful day, isn't it? I'm so lucky. I'm here in Frutillar and I found an island. Can you believe it? That is an island, a beautiful, beautiful island. And behind that we have the volcano. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon, okay? Bye bye.